What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Claremont Steel Fabricators in Ohio. And some of you may know this is the location where they make all sorts of B&M track for North American parks and overseas. We're going to check it out and see what's new here.
Starting things off right, we can see some new segments of track, and these are pretty big. Some of those pieces are curved, while others are straight. There's even one in the back that's painted. And right here we can see some of the lettering. It says SC. Now that's the same code that Goomba had when it was made. There's just a ton of track just all over this place, and that's what we like to see. A couple of the crazier elements there, and this is where I'm starting to think this is going to have inversions. Another line of track extending down in the lot. And a closer view of one of those more twisted track pieces. And here's a really close view of that one segment. Something to note with these pieces, you can see the little base plates, and that's going to be where supports mount to. While others are going to have base plates that directly mount to the ground. So far, everything that we've seen in here, except for just one piece of track, has primer on it. So that means it's just about ready for paint. And as we can see, same lettering on all of these pieces, except for this one. So we can guarantee you there are two different roller coasters here. That one has an MC on it. Now, why is this important to know the codes? We can look back from previous visits, like this one in 2016, and see WI, which is going to be for a wing coaster. And these two right here, see how it has an N and a J? Those ended up going over to China. Then we have this photo from last year, and we can see a D6D, as in D6 dive coaster. So that leads us to the photos from 2018. With the MC and the SC. So MC is what we know to be a mega coaster, aka Hyper or Giga. Mako had the exact same code. SC, again, we already said Kumba or many other looping coasters have this code as well. So we know there's at least two roller coasters on property, possibly even a third. Enough talk about codes, let's get back to the current track pieces that are here. And it just surrounds the entire place. I mean, literally filled up. And moving down just a little bit further, again, we can see more track. Some painted, some with the SC, and some with the MC. So again, maybe three different tracks here. Looking around the corner a little further, we can just see again massive amounts of track everywhere. In the back lot, there's even track over there too. I've never seen this much at one time at this location. Well, this is a nice little delivery. We can see some massive supports, and I'm thinking this is either going to be Hyper or Giga coaster supports, because those things, yeah, giant. But that's going to do it for our update, guys. If you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.